Does your company have these problems? Meet altHR, the super app for companies. altHR is not your typical HR solution. To start, we designed and tested this with more than 1,500 Digi employees. But it doesn't matter what your company size is, you can still use altHR. If you have existing HR policies, you can easily plug them into altHR. If not, let us help your company adopt the latest HR practices that we've tested with Digi's HR team. Say goodbye to stacks of papers and complex spreadsheets. Say goodbye to manual works and hours spent on administrative tasks. With altHR, you can easily carry out HR processes with our clean and simple user interface. Easy for your employees, painless for your HR. Perform HR operations such as leave management, expense claims to new hire onboarding. Keep your employees happy and manage their well-being with case management, checklists, and highlights. If that's not enough, we have more. Be it to adapt to the new normal or to enable your teams to be more agile, you can check out our attendance and time tracking module. With altHR, clock in and clock out by just using a smartphone to have an even simpler digital management of all attendance data. Punch cards no longer needed. In services, your employees can purchase vouchers, pay their utility bills, mobile reloads, and other essential services from inside altHR itself. Have you heard of an HR app that does this? Your employees deserve the best. Let us help you with that.